Constitution of India. Next topic is the Constitution of the India, drafted by the Constituent Assembly of India and was declared as a passed on 26 November 1949. It was enacted on 26 January 1950. The first Governor General was Lord Warren Hastings. The first Governor General of India was the William Bentinck, and Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India. Features of Indian Constitution. So these are the short points. In short points I have written the features of Indian Constitution. You can elaborate these points. The Constitution of the India was drafted over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The Constitution of India. In Constitution of India there are 12 schedules and 395 articles. Indian Constitution is definitely the largest, bulkiest and the most detailed constitution in the world. India have 395 articles and 12 schedules. USA have 7 articles. Canada have 147 and Australia have 128 articles. The word meaning, sovereign. Meaning of the word sovereign is sovereign. A sovereign nation is initially supreme and independent of any outside control. Then socialism. The word socialism aims at the establishment of an egalitarian society in India. Egalitarian means there is no discrimination between any caste, race and gender. Secularism. The word secularism means a state which has no official religion. And democracy, best definition given by Abraham Lincoln is, it is a government by the people, of the people and for the people. Republic. The word republic signifies that the head of our state is elected and not hereditary. Republic is borrowed from the France. So in the features you can write the meaning of these words: sovereign, socialism, secular, democracy, republic. So in detail we have to explain these points. The next feature is the partly unitary and partly federal. Partly unitary, it is in emergency time, and in normal times it is federal. Next is the partly rigid and partly flexible. Then fundamental rights. We have 24 articles in the fundamental rights. Then fundamental duties, it is present in the 42nd amendment, 10 duties of all the citizens of the India. Then the directive principles of state policy, it is present in the part 4 of the constitution, borrowed from the constitution of the Ireland. And the aim of the directive principles of the state policy is to establish a welfare state in India on the socialist pattern of a society. Then we have independent judiciary. The constitution made the Supreme Court as the custodian and the protector of the constitution. Then we have the secular state. Secular means there is no official religion. India is a secular state. Single citizenship. We don't have any double citizenship. In India we get only single citizenship, means only one citizenship. Next is the universal adult franchise. First voting age. First voting age was 21 years. Under the 61st amendment of the Indian Constitution, the age of the voting has been reduced from 21 to 18 years. This is the universal adult franchise, that we get the opportunity to vote. It doesn't matter from which caste, race, gender or religion you are. Every citizen of India have the opportunity and right to vote. It is called universal adult franchise. Next is the official language of India, Hindi. Devanagari script, article 343. In article 343 it is present Hindi. Devanagari script is the official language, and till that time English was to continue as the official language. So here we have completed the features of Indian Constitution. In short, I have written the points. You have to write in the big sentences. Next is the preamble. So preamble is a significant because it highlights the type of society and the government it wished to establish. And the Constitution of India preamble, the preamble is written here. You should only know the meaning of the preamble. That preamble is significant because it highlights the type of society and the government it wished to establish. Next is the pillars. So the pillars of the preamble are justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. And the idea of preamble was borrowed from the Constitution of the US. And preamble is a preliminary or a preparatory statement and introduction. It is a preliminary or a preparatory statement or an introduction. And in this semester, only the writs name are asked. There are 5 types of writs. So first is the habeas corpus. So here the additional district magistrate ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla, popularly known as the habeas corpus case, was decided by the Indian Supreme Court on April 28, 1976. And the emergency period was declared by Indira Gandhi. Here the fundamental rights were suspended 14, 21 and 22. 14 is about the right to equality, 21 is about the protection of the life and personal liberty, and 22 is about the protection against arrest and detention. Write a short note on Article 14. Such type of questions are asked. In this same, we are only having the introduction of the fundamental rights.